goodness. No way. Now, I've seen a lot of crazy things, but that's the first time I've seen that.
That's on camera.
Holy fuck, you are a fucking idiot. Trying to cut through. That's hilarious. Oh shit, alright.
The sand from your hair is blowing in my eyes. Blame it on the beach, grown men don't cry. Do you remember that beat down basement couch? I'd sing you my love songs and you'd tell me about how your mama ran off and pawned her ring. I remember.
Oh shit. Damn, that got crashed. Oh shit. Oh. Hope he's okay.
Their generals have never been captured for examination.
What?
Chapter 47. So much for thinking I have the advantage. Her eyes flare like she's come to the same conclusion as we circle each other, and then they narrow in a way that makes my stomach clench. Devera may have set the rules, but something tells me Kat is about to break them. Does it bother you? She asked.
Henderson comes back, it changes the profile of what they're looking for, I think.
Andrew, just from the recruiting standpoint, as of right now, Ohio State is expected to at least bring 2 more people in the room. So if you're expecting maybe Travion Henderson to come back, whichever side of the coin you fall on, at least you're expecting Dallin Hayden to be back, and then you pair that with James Peoples and Jordan Lyle. One, can you just tell us a little bit more about who those guys are as we get closer to signing day? And is there any concern that maybe one of those guys is or isn't going to come?
Well, I think that there's always concern, when it comes to, I think we're recording this podcast in, early December, and, this is the time of year when...
And really, to me, it's all down. Like I said, kind of with the red zone offense, on offense, I would say that the run defense...
Concessions and get hot dogs and whatnot, just for them to have a big run play for a touchdown coming right out of the rain.
Yeah, the blocks worked greatly. Joel did a nice block coming across, and